Construction, whether it be tunnels, houses, or space stations, is becoming increasingly complex. Individual mistakes can be disastrous.
Houston, we have a problem.
Resolving the tougher requirements on sustainability, working environment, and reliability of time and budget is a growing challenge for the industry. At Veidekke, we think the best solution is in involvement. We've developed a way of working so we can also handle complex projects without them dragging on. The secret is to involve all parties in the process from the start. Our approach is based on combining involvement with the latest research in VDC. We integrate the entire workflow process in VDC, from planning to production, with the work of the organization, where the right person with the right skills in the right place is key. The product, that is the BIM model, with updated and accurate information and metrics, which lets us see the work in progress and what we can do better. One important element within VDC is to utilize the entire organization at meetings called ICE. This method has been borrowed from NASA, which has been implementing ICE for several years to plan space travel in a faster, more cost-effective way with better quality. Since then, Veidekke has developed the concept together with Stanford University to fit our business.
Many companies start to implement VDC with a tool perspective or a process perspective, bringing lean management, BIM methods to their projects. But very quickly, they often then run into challenges of having their people really work together, because those approaches are not very effective in the long run if they are carried out in the same siloed way of working as most companies are used to. And that's where I see a different approach, starting point in the fundamental culture of Veidekke to involve all the employees in finding solutions, in taking decisions and carrying them out. So you have a fundamental culture that I think addresses what we have seen is a main challenge of bringing VDC into every project on a continued basis.
It all comes down to people working in parallel and simultaneously instead of relieving one another. Everybody contributing their expertise as the work progresses. By addressing challenges directly, we don't have to solve problems later on at the same time as we shorten and streamline the decision-making processes. As an example, we did this at the Stigberg garage with Stockholms Parkering. Thanks to VDC and ICE, the planning documents for this complicated project with 12 different technical areas could be produced in only 15 weeks. In the end, instead of the planned 200 parking spaces, there were over 300 at a cost 5% under budget, and the garage could be opened all of 3 months early. VDC is being increasingly viewed as a completely new way of thinking. Veidekke is leading in this field in Scandinavia with more VDC-certified employees than any other company. At Veidekke, we believe that the more who share knowledge from the very beginning, the better the future for all.